The topic for this screencast is learning how to study for upcoming quizzes. Our objective for today is for students to create their own Quizlet study set of 10 vocabulary words and their definitions for the upcoming quiz in Health and Family Living. Before we get started, I will need you to open the Google form I have sent you in your email. So go ahead and access your email. It should be one of the most recent ones, and you're going to go ahead and open up the email titled for Quizlet. You'll need this Google form throughout the video. You will be asked to pause and write a summary of what you have just completed. Once you have this open, the first thing you'll want to do is open a new tab. If you're like me, you typically have at least 3 or 4 other tabs open, which is okay, but we're going to be working between these two, the Google form and the Quizlet. So go ahead and type in Quizlet.com. When Quizlet comes up, this is what it should look like. If you have never used Quizlet before, you will need to click on the Sign Up button located in the upper right-hand corner, which is right here. If you have used Quizlet in the past, you will need to click on the Login button located right next to it. Either option you choose, you will be able to log in or sign up with your Google account. So it's a very easy and convenient way to access Quizlet. I'm going to go ahead and log in since I have already used Quizlet before. And once you are logged in or signed up, this is what it's going to take you to. This is what your screen will look like. At the very top of the page, you will see the search tool, and it has this little magnifying glass. And next to that is the create option. So for the purpose of this activity, we're going to create a new study set. So go ahead and click create now. Once you have created a new study set open, you'll see that the screen is very user-friendly. It has all of the required components laid out for you. It's very, very simple to complete. So here at the top, we're going to set a title. For the purpose of this assignment, we will title it with today's date, which is August 26, 2016. In the future, you may want to save your study sets by class or quiz topic, period number, either of those. Once you have your title, you can go ahead and move straight down. If you see, Quizlet automatically gives you 5 spaces for terms and definitions. Here's the terms column, here's the definitions column, and these over here are extras. You can continue to add more as you go if you need by clicking this plus sign right down here. In the terms column, you can put a question or a vocabulary word, a term for the class. It also allows you to change the language by clicking one of these here, English, Spanish, or choose language. I will demonstrate how to do the first, and you will continue on your own to complete today's objective. In the terms column on line 1, starting here, we will type in the word portion. This is one of our vocabulary words for health and family living. Now, we will move to the definitions column and type the amount of something. Which is our definition for portion. This is a relatively easy way for me to study, and remember that portion means the amount of something in a meal. Now I have completed this vocabulary word. However, if I want, I can add an image by clicking the picture icon, or a voice recording, or even an auto definition. However, since we review the definitions from the text in class, you will know what to expect on the quiz if you stick to what we review. So if you type in the definition we already have gone over, you're likely to remember that when it comes time to the quiz. You will complete the last 9 terms and definitions on your own by doing the same thing we just completed.